Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on my 2016 Chevy Silverado. In order to access the cabin air filter, there are 4 screws holding the glove box. 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. The top 2 are easily accessed by lowering the glove box. The bottom 2 need to be accessed from underneath the dash panel. Using a T15 screwdriver, remove these 4 screws. The top 2 are easy, the bottom 2 you need to get down and get underneath the dash panel. Once the screws are removed, you can simply yank on the glove box and it comes free from its hole. Once the glove box is removed, you can access the door panel that holds the air filter in place. There are 2 clips on the top and they just slot into spots on the bottom. You can simply remove that. Take note of which way the airflow arrows are pointing on the existing filter. You need to match this on the new filter. I find it easier to use a pair of pliers to grab the old filter just enough to get it out of the slot, and then you can pull it out by hand the rest of the way. My filter had been in there for about 8 months, about 26,000 miles. Taking your new filter and matching the airflow of the old filter, simply slide it into the slot where the air filter belongs. Then take the cabin filter cover, drop the 2 feet into the slots on the bottom, then push the 2 tabs on the top of the panel, locking it into place. Reinstalling the glove box is simple. Simply line up the tabs on the glove box and push it back into place. Then you can reinstall the 4 screws that hold the glove box into place, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Remember, those are T15 screws. Next, insert the 2 screws from the underside of the dash panel into the bottom of the glove box. After that, you're done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Love it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Later.